Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to download the Gmail app on your PC with the latest update. While there isn't an official Gmail app directly available in the Microsoft Store, I'll show you a clever way to get a similar experience. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar located on your desktop. This is usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Microsoft Store into the search bar. As you type, you should see the Microsoft Store app appear in the search results. Click on it to open the application. Once the Microsoft Store is open, look for the search bar within the store itself. It's typically located at the top right corner of the window. Click on the search bar and type Mail. Press Enter or click the search icon to initiate the search. Now, among the search results, find the Mail app. This is Microsoft's built-in email client. Go ahead and click the Get button to download and install the Mail app on your PC. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the Mail app is installed, launch it by clicking the Open button. Now that the Mail app is up and running, we need to connect it to your Gmail account. Look for an option like Add Account or Manage Accounts within the Mail app settings. Click on it to proceed. Select Gmail from the list of available account types. The Mail app will then prompt you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Gmail address and password in the provided fields. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to grant the Mail app the necessary permissions to access your Gmail account. Once you've successfully signed in, the Mail app will start syncing your Gmail emails, contacts, and calendar events. You can now access your Gmail directly from the Mail app, just like you would with a dedicated Gmail app. To make accessing your Gmail even easier, you can pin the Mail app to your Start menu or taskbar. Simply right-click on the Mail app icon and select Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. This will create a shortcut for the Mail app, allowing you to quickly launch it from your Start menu or taskbar. So while it's not exactly the official Gmail app, this method gives you a convenient way to access your Gmail on your PC. Enjoy managing your emails with ease.